Morning wakes in Kanal's sunny glow, and chili scents begin to gently flow. Red ones, green ones, tiny or tall, each with a story, each ready to enthrall. By the Sochi, tables light the scene, grills are singing, flavors sharp and clean. Old friends laughing, new ones joining in, all united by the spicy heat within. One bite sparks a fire and a grin, but the heat feels sweet with good company in. Chefs stir pots of magic, bold and bright. Every taste a little spark of pure delight. When the sun dips low behind the hill, the air stays warm, the chili's working still, with music, smiles, and hearts aglow. The festival burns on in Sochi's flow. Morning wakes in Kanal's sunny glow, and chili scents begin to gently flow. Red ones, green ones, tiny or tall, each with a story, each ready to enthrall. By the Sochi tables light the scene, grills are singing, flavors sharp and clean. Old friends laughing, new ones joining in, all united by the spicy heat within. One bite sparks a fire and a grin, but the heat feels sweet with good company in. Chefs stir pots of magic, bold and bright, every taste a little spark of pure delight. The sun dips low behind the hill, the air stays warm, the chili's working still, with music, smiles, and hearts aglow. The festival burns on in Sochi's flow.